What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to give you an update about Delta Ventures. As you can see right here, this site cannot be reached. As you can see right here, Delta Ventures is offline. So what happened? This is rug. This is a rug and they rug. Okay. And I wasn't really paying much attention. So after Wolf Capital, I stopped paying attention to all these projects with external revenues because, eventually they all collapse. Okay. Farm of Fortune Hunters collapsed, Wolf Capital collapsed, Api collapsed, 925 is collapsing. Now Delta Ventures is gone, and the green figures is also showing signs of collapse. Okay, so green figures, I'll make a video tomorrow because there were some FUD this morning, and seems like George sorted out, but I'm not convinced, and I'm gonna bail from green figures, but that's another video. So that video will come out tomorrow. So what happened to Delta Ventures? Honestly, I don't really know. I only had 25 bucks in this project because I was like, this is new to me. Team have access to funds. I don't know the team behind the scenes, the team behind the project, so I don't trust them. So I only invested 25 bucks to test the waters and see how the project will go. Okay, and yeah, that was that. So from those 25 bucks, I managed to reach 60 something bucks. Okay, because all I did was compound, compound, compound. Because it was just 25 bucks, and if the project does well, at least my 25 bucks potentially will turn into 100 bucks, 200 bucks, who knows, okay? But it didn't go that far, okay? Let's go over to the TG and let's see what's up, okay? So if you scroll further down, we just go over to the pinned messages because, there's a lot of people still around talking about what happened, red flags, green flags, if I knew better, if I knew I would never invest, whatever. Okay, guys. Yeah, if you all knew that project will rug eventually, nobody would ever invest. Okay, that's that. Okay. Another thing is, a lot of people crying about I just lost more money over here. Guys, a lot of people say I don't know how to trade. I don't know how to trade, but at least I have 100% access to my funds. And if I lose, it's my fault. Whereas over here in this kind of projects, you are giving away your money and let them do whatever they want to do with your funds. And, next day, you don't know if you're going to have access to your funds because you giving away your funds to someone else to trade for you. And the best thing is for you to start trading. And I started trading. My trades go up and down. It depends. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. That's just part of the game, right? But the more important thing is to win more than lose. Okay, my wins, they have to be bigger than my losses, and that will overcome my losses. Okay, but let's go over to the pin message and let's see what's up. So over here is where the money is sat. So if you click on this link, we can see that this wallet right here has 229K. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, so it was from this wallet right here to Stargate Finance USDT. And right now, this wallet has 229K. Okay, and I believe this is from the USDT pool. Let's go over to another pin message. And if you want to report something, if you want to do something about it, come over here and report this crime. Okay. So takes a few minutes, but it can be something from where we can see some results. That's true. A lot of people, when they get rugged in DeFi, they don't take any action. They just move, they cry a little bit, and then they move on. Okay. But, we can take action, and these guys, because they've been using Bybit and all that, they are KYC'd, so it will not be hard to track them down. Okay, so if you were in these projects, please come over here and file the report. Okay, scrolling further up, we can see report these wallets. So let's check this wallet. So this wallet, how much this wallet has? Not much. Not much. Well, this is the wallet. This is the same wallet. 0x. Yeah, this is the same wallet. Yeah, this is the same wallet. Okay. And let's go over to Algo Field. So Algo Field was the admin of Delta Ventures. And let's see what he says. When was this to this? This was today at 15:36. Okay, guys? No, guys, I'm not missing. I'm still here and haven't gone anywhere with your funds. I have noticed that my recent messages caused some confusion and FUD, so I'm limiting my updates to relevant information. So I never knew about these Max. I always thought the only guy behind this project is Algo Field. So recently I came across this guy. Why I came across this guy? Because this guy is the one who took the money from all the pools. I was like, what the hell? Who the hell is this guy in the first place? Because we all thought that Algo Field was the one using the funds to perform trades, right? But turns out to be this guy Max having access to the funds, okay? Somehow, I don't know who this Max is, okay? So Max has been completely unresponsive since my last message, and this guy just deleted his Telegram group. So his Telegram profile account, so he's MIA. Okay, I've tried to reach him a number of times, but he hasn't responded once. If I if I don't hear from him before 11:30 UTC, or at least regain access to APIs, okay, the team will report him. Besides Anonydocs and Bybit, he's KYC with me. So any authority mentioned by you above will have my full cooperation. Okay, so Algofield is telling that Max has the funds and he's gone MIA, is missing. Okay, and if tonight 11:30 UTC, if he doesn't get back to Phil, Phil will report him because Phil has his KYC. Okay, Phil knows him. Okay, and yeah, essentially that's all Algofield has to say. So let's go over here. Uh, 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 um, this is about Algofield, FUD and everything, but this is not FUD because Max actually ran away with the funds. Okay, so if you come over here, we can see that Max actually posted, so it's now a deleted account. He said, I move all the funds to a cold wallet where only I have access, so funds are safe. I need Algofield to talk to me about the next steps forward related to the new contract updates and whatever multi-sig you guys want, but it seems he's still unavailable. Everything goes smooth, all withdrawals should be processed tonight, which is a lie because, you know, if all the pools are empty, how the hell people will be able to withdraw? Okay, it doesn't happen, right? So, and also, why would this guy delete his account if everything is cool, right? It does not make sense. And another thing is, there was this mention about a multi-sig. A lot of people said, yeah, let's go for multi-sig. But, and then after that, there was no prior warnings or anything. So, and again, I wasn't really following this project much because I didn't have much in it. So, I didn't really know what was happening. Okay. But one day I just woke up and people were saying, oh, this is just broke. And I was like, what? So I went over here to the TG, check it out. And yeah, funds were gone, and I saw Mac's message saying he took the money all from all pools. Okay, so yeah, this is another rug, and once more, guys, you gotta learn how to trade. Okay, start small. You know, my Bybit account I started with 100 bucks. Okay, Start small, don't use too much leverage, learn how everything works, and then once you're comfortable, increase the leverage, increase your stakes, and make your moves, okay, guys? Because it's 100% better if you learn how to trade than give your funds to someone else and 30 days, 40 days, 60 days, 90 days later, the project rugs, and instead of you making money, you will be worse off. Okay, so learn how to trade, and I'm actually going to put a mini course together, like a how to start reading charts, how to read patterns, how to read candles, and how to actually start trading. Okay, so I'm not a trading expert, but I know the basics, and I will share the basic knowledge with y'all that are looking to start trading. Okay, guys, that being said, Delta Ventures, it's a game over, end of the road. Okay, do not invest. And if you still have access to the smart contract, and if the funds are in the smart contract, you'll be able to withdraw from the smart contract. But for now, the front end, the website is down, and I really doubt that this project will come to life anytime soon. So for me, it's a game over. And if you were invested in this project, it's game over for you. It's time to move on, just like we moved on from Wolf Capital. That being said, guys, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.